Indulge in this easy to make quick weeknight dinner and you will not regret. Hello, Sanbonani, and welcome. My name is CBO'S. Let's begin. Boil the water, add salt so it boils rapidly. We will use the following ingredients: the chopped onion, the bell peppers, the garlic, parsley, fresh mincemeat or ground beef, tomato paste, and the beef stock or the bouillon. Once the water boils, cook the pasta as per the package instructions. On medium to high heat, heat the pan, then add the oil followed by the butter. Add the minced meat and split it. The list of ingredients will be in the description box below. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and press the notification bell. It is free to subscribe. Back to our cooking. Season with salt and pepper and stir. It will take 8 minutes to fry or to brown. Once it browns, take it out of the pan using a slotted spoon to drain the oil. A big shout out to Linda, the royal priesthood. This channel does all things related to faith, beauty, and family. That is empowering, encouraging, and uplifting. Please subscribe to her channel. With the oil that's left in the pan, fry the onion for 3 minutes. We are cooking on medium heat. Add the fresh thyme. If you don't have fresh one, use the dry one. Add oregano or origanum and stir. Add the bell peppers and stir. Give them 2 to 3 minutes to blend in as they fry. Add the garlic and cook it for 1 minute. Add the tomato paste. Stir until it is blended. What is your best minced meat or ground beef dish? Please put your comment down below. Add the sweet basil, preferable the fresh one, and the smoked paprika. That's optional. Remember, we cook with what we have. Add the low sodium beef stock or the water and stir. Allow the sauce to boil, then reduce the heat to low, simmering it for 3 to 5 minutes. Take out the thyme sprigs. To balance or to brighten our sauce, sprinkle a few drops of lemon. That's optional. Taste it and make the seasoning adjustments if necessary. Add back the beef and stir. Add the drained pasta and mix. Keep some of the pasta water aside. sprinkle the chopped parsley and mix. Then follow with the mozzarella cheese and mix. This is optional. Please support the channel by pressing the like button and leaving a comment below. I'd appreciate that. Let's go back to our pasta. If it's dry, sprinkle the pasta water. Just a few tablespoons. It's ready. I hope you will enjoy this pasta. Thank you so much for your time. I hope to see you soon on my next upload, where I will come with pastries for your lunchbox or your snacks. Bye bye.